Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I got this cool part right here. As you can see, it's by a brand Uhuru, and pretty much what it is a wireless gaming mouse that can use that can actually glow in the dark or has different color functionalities on here, which is really amazing. So first thing first, let me actually open it up and show you guys what comes inside the package, and then do a demo and show you guys how it works. Alright, so first thing you get when you open the package, as you can see, is the mouse itself. But before I show you that, I want to show you guys what else comes inside this package first. So right here, I believe it's some kind of magnet or tape that is in use. And then underneath that, we have the instruction guide, a manual on how to use the product and how to set up and program it, and all the different functionality that's on this mouse. If you guys open this little part right here, they provide you a USB to micro USB cable to charge the product, because this one is actually a wireless charger that you guys can actually recharge it, so you guys don't actually need a battery to actually use it. So that's pretty much everything that comes inside the package. Now let's talk about the mouse itself and show you guys what it looks like and what's on it. Alright, so here we have the mouse itself. You guys can see there's a scroll right here, there's a button right here to control the speed of how fast you want it, the CPI. And everything else on here will glow in the dark or glow in the different colors, which is really nice. If you guys look in the bottom, we have the on and off switch to turn off and on the product. And then here we have the USB where you guys will plug it in. Look right here, we have a micro USB slot where you guys actually charge the product up. The click speed is actually really nice and really fast. It recognizes really fast. And we turn on this side, we have two more buttons. So all these buttons are actually programmable to however you want. It'll show you the instruction on the actual application of how to do it. If you guys don't know how, but if you guys know how already, that's perfect and don't need to explain it or learn how to do it. So that's pretty much everything that's on this product. Now let's actually show you guys what it looks like when you guys plug it in and everything. So this is wireless, so you guys have to plug in the USB onto the product before it can work. So right now it's being charged. You guys can see I plugged it in right here and it's turned on blue. So when it's finished fully charging, this light will turn off automatically, so that's how you know it's fully charged. Right now we're going to unplug it so you guys can see how it works when I plug into the computer using the USB that's on the product. So right here we have the USB that we just unplugged from the bottom of the mouse. We're going to plug in right now. Alright, so we just have the product plugged in now. Let's see if the mouse works. So you guys can see the speed is quite fast right now, but if you click on this part right here, the CPI, you guys can slow it down to increase the speed. So if I click it one time, it's a lot faster, but if you guys click it again, you guys can see how slow it can get. You click it one time, it goes a bit faster. Third time, a lot faster. Fourth time, extremely fast, and fifth time, it's extremely fast. And then back to the normal. So there's 5 different speeds on here to control the CPI. So you guys can see the light automatically changes the colors, and it actually looks really cool, you guys can tell. Like right now it's kind of like a rainbow color, but it changes. So right now the green color. So there's no way to actually control the colors from what I understand right now, but the buttons are programmable. The way for it to stop is that if you don't use the product for 8 minutes, it'll actually go to sleep mode, so that way it doesn't use any of the battery or whatever's on here. And since this is rechargeable, the bad thing about it being rechargeable is that if you guys run out of battery, you have to charge it back up again. So if you guys are not using it, I would recommend plugging it in to charge it so that it can just fully charge and you guys can use it again. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you guys can see how amazing this product actually is. And you guys saw the speed of how it tested how fast and how slow it can actually get when you control the CPI. That is so amazing, right? And the fact that you guys can program the buttons, that's actually even more amazing, because for people who game a lot, they want to program certain buttons so that they can actually use each one for certain functionality, which is really nice. So when you charge this product, it takes around 30 minutes to actually fully charge it. And with that 30 minutes of charge, you guys can actually use this for 30 days. Or if you guys want to, just use it for a week and then recharge it after like a week for 30 minutes or less than 30 minutes actually, because you guys only use it for a week out of a month. So now that we showed you guys everything and talked about the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it. So this product in particular costs around $24, and for that price range, I have to say that this product is freaking amazing and it's really worth it. Because even for the mouse that I'm using that's wireless by Dell, that one itself costs around $45, and you probably don't even get all the same functionalities on here. And on top of that, that one is actually used battery, whereas this one is rechargeable, which is really nice and convenient. But at the same time, it's not convenient. So one thing to consider is the fact that when you guys don't actually put a battery in here and they actually use a wire to charge it, if you guys are out of battery, you guys can't use a mouse anymore. So if you guys are in need of a mouse, then you guys are pretty much screwed for 30 minutes. If you guys don't mind that, then this product is actually really worth it. But if you guys want a mouse base and just put a battery and use it again instead of charging it, then you guys probably want to get a different mouse. But regardless, for $24 for this product, that is pretty much a steal. The fact that it's rechargeable, it's wireless, and the fact that it has light, you guys can program the button, and probably the amazing thing on top of all that is the fact that you can control the speed of how you want the reaction speed on the mouse, which is so amazing because sometimes you guys want a faster speed or it's too slow, then you guys can control all that just by a click of a button. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing, testing, and feedback of the product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan show, there we have